Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to apparently a really highly requested video. I was shocked. I asked you guys on Instagram and on my community tab what videos you guys wanted to see for the summer. I was doing like a big brainstorming session and a lot of you guys wanted to see what was in like my everyday purse, and a few of you specifically said we want to see more of the Disney Gucci bag, or not Gucci, I wish, Coach. So here we have it. I'm gonna do like what's in my purse everyday bag situation. My baby, my first designer purchase, probably my one and only designer purchase, because spending like $400 on this literally gave me a heart attack, and I had to pay like $200 in duties. So this baby is getting all of the love that she deserves. But honestly, I'm honored that you guys think I'm interesting enough to show you what's inside my purse, because it's probably like what everyone has in their bag, but I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. Like the official name for you guys, and I'll link it down below for you. I think it's still available on Shop Disney, but this is the Disney Coach collection bag. It's the Mickey Mouse and Friends camera bag. She looks like this. She is the moment. I love it because it's a little bit bigger than a normal crossbody. They also have it in, I'll put a picture here, like that square kind of crossbody that Coach is like known for. And like the name says, it actually fits my camera, which I'm filming on, so I can't show you guys, but it fits my camera, so it's really, really great. This is what the back looks like. It does have like a little pocket at the back, but I just don't use it because I'm too scared. And we have the infamous strap, which you either love or hate. When I first opened the package with the bag, I did not like it at all, but it's honestly grown on me, and I've just been too lazy to go to Coach and get a new one. I think maybe for my birthday, I might treat myself to the brown leather strap that matches this, just to have on like when I'm wearing it with like a little bit more of an out there outfit. I don't mind wearing this when I'm wearing something like this that's black, like it's a little bit of color, but I personally just don't think these two match at all. So yeah, I do plan on getting it. I just haven't gone to the Coach store downtown, but maybe for my birthday. All right, let's start with what's in here. I'm literally just gonna pull things out at random, honestly. If I just moved, I'm sorry, my wallet wasn't even in my purse. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the kind of person who forgets my wallet everywhere and it's always misplaced. It's such a bad habit, but my wallet and my keys are never where they're supposed to be. So ironically it wasn't. But the first thing that's normally in my bag is the matching card holder. So if you guys are based in Canada, the bag is not available on the Coach website in Canada. It is available through Shop Disney, but you do pay customs and a $50 USD shipping fee. But the card holder is available on the Canadian Coach website, as well as in store in some spots. But this is just the Disney Coach, once again, card case. I think it's so stinking cute. It has the castle on it and I love it. It's like subtly Disney, and then on the back it just says Disney Coach. I am definitely a card holder gal. I feel like you're either a card holder or like a full-size wallet person, and I know I just pay credit cards for everything. These are my top 3 credit cards that are in here. If you guys are curious, which I know some of you guys are here for the financial content, so you might be, but I have my Marriott Amex, which I love Amex because the number is actually on the back. I have my WestJet credit card, which is my airline credit card. I have my Avion Infinite card, which is my cashback credit card. So in case anyone was wondering. And then in like the little thing in the middle here, I have Neo credit card. And I reach for that one the most, which is why I put it there. I actually need to ask them for a new one because it's starting to break. And then I also have my Costco card. That's it. And then in the back, I have my bank card and then my driver's license and my health card. Okay, next thing are like 2 things that are like normally in my bag but aren't right now, but normally, which is my AirPods. I just have like a little case on them. These are usually in here or in my belt bag because I use my belt bag to walk Stella, so that one pretty much always has AirPods and poop bags in it. So AirPods, and they have like a little keychain as well. And then my phone, I have I don't even know what phone I have, 13 Pro. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, and then my phone case is just from Casetify. It's this really cute Disney one. So I love Disney World, or what? Is it not obvious? So yeah, that's my phone. Fits in here perfectly. Love that. Next are my sunglasses. Stella ate my Ray-Ban case as a puppy, so I just have this little one from Old Navy, which I actually prefer because I find the Ray-Ban one with the button is kind of hard to open, and this one just kind of pops like that. And these are my signature Ray-Bans. Bought them for myself for my birthday 2 years ago. It's my first and only pair of like nice sunglasses, and you guys ask me all the time which ones I have, and I will link them down below. They're just these ones. I love them so much. So very simple. Love that. Then IBS problems, I have a bag of mints. These are the ones that you can get at like Home Goods, Marshalls, Winners. They're just the Pure brand, and I have these because I am nauseous very sporadically because of my IBS. So yeah, they're just like healthy ones. They say gluten-free, vegan, 100% xylitol, non-GMO, Swiss made, soy-free, sugar-free. So yeah, I always have mints to like help my nausea. What else? Oh, along with that, gum. This is the Superior gum, the Silver Excel. It's the best, okay? Literally the best duo in the world. Then I'm just like reaching randomly here to see what's going on. Oh, YouTube Life. I have an extra camera battery and an extra memory card, which isn't very exciting. And then I have my, oh, this is my insurance card. And because it has, well, you guys know my last name, but it has like the hospital I work at and all that stuff. My car keys, which aren't very exciting. I just have my car key. This little lanyard is from Etsy. It's like a leather one. It's just like nice and simple. I have my mail key, my P.O. box key, and I don't know what this is for. Maybe my front door. I have no idea because we have a touchpad. So yeah, I have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra in case anyone's wondering. I love her so much. We've got hair elastics, obviously. What else? Oh, this lip gloss, which I saw on TikTok one day and I bought it. It's a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's, I don't know, is Pillow Talk a lip gloss name? I feel like that is. I don't know. I have no idea. But I got this. It is from L'Oreal Paris. It's like their something, I have no idea what this is called. Shade 40 Blissful Blush. Other than that, I have no idea what the name of it is because it's not even on here. Just says L'Oreal lip gloss. So yeah, it's a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, whatever that is. Okay, then I have a lip balm because I always have chapped lips. I also have a lip balm in my car. I have a Laneige lip mask in my car. This is just like a Nivea lip balm. Very boring. Love her. I've got some allergy medication because it's the season 24/7. So I've got some Allerton. Name galleys around here, okay? We don't need name brand shit around here, okay? And then the last three things are the most important three things in my purse. First, we have, oh, this is a new one too. I haven't even opened it yet. The Poopery spray, okay? I have IBS. Okay, enough said. Personally, you know, sometimes you gotta spray before you leave just to be nice. Not because I'm embarrassed. Like, I'm not embarrassed. I'll go to the bathroom in public. That's fine. But sometimes you just want to be courteous, especially if it's a one stall situation. So I do have Poopery spray, which if you guys don't know what this is, it's pretty obvious, but you just spray it after your poo and it makes the place smell nice. Lavender, vanilla. You can also get the bigger ones to keep in your house. But yeah, love this guy. Amazing. So if you're wondering, this is what it looks like. Highly recommend. It's amazing. Very much a staple in my purse. Then I have this from the brand Knup. It's from Amazon. Let me show you guys. It is a, I never remember how to put this thing together though. Reusable straw. Oh, figured it out. Okay, yeah, it's a reusable straw, like so. Comes in a little 4-pack and it has like a little key thing so you can put in your keys. But yeah, it's a collapsible straw. Because I hate paper straws, okay? I'm all for saving the environment, I really am. But paper straws freaking suck so much. Yeah, this thing comes in handy. It comes in like a 4-pack for like 15 bucks on Amazon. It comes in handy a lot at Disney too. I love this. The last thing I have, once again, is a restock. I just got a new pack, but this is my favorite hand sanitizer. I know that like we're in the post-COVID era, but I still like to hand sanitize my hands. I don't know, but I love this one. This is the Baby Bum, which is like a screen brand that everyone loves, and it is their hand sanitizer, and I just like love the smell of it. I don't know, especially working in the hospital during COVID, I'm just like so sick of the whole like vodka smelling hand sanitizer. So this one, it like smells, it smells so good. It smells like their sunscreen, like super coconutty, and I'm just like obsessed with it. So this is a staple. I usually, well, I don't keep one in my car because it gets too hot for that, but I usually have one in my purse. It comes in a little 3-pack on Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, that's everything that's in my purse. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, like, what's one essential that's always in your purse that you could live without? I'm really curious. Hopefully there was like something in here that you guys haven't seen in someone else's purse, give you a good idea. Maybe the Poopery spray, maybe that you might go get, or this hand sanitizer. I don't know. Let me know what's something you can't live without. Me personally, it's probably the poo spray, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll make sure to link everything I can down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!